Hey Ryker Nation, this is JC Ryker back again. So just want to share with you guys something I noticed on my 2022 Ryker. So I'm pretty sure it's on the same thing as the 23, but there's a rattle noise. A lot of people go and they look at the air box and they think that it's coming from there, and it may be. On my case, though, it's coming from underneath my driver's seat. So what I want to do is figure out why that is. And again, you can kind of hear the rattle noise by tapping on the back trunk here. It's just a metal rattle noise. So I dug a little deeper to find out what it was, and I'm going to share that with you right now. So what we have going on here is there's a metal plate sitting underneath the seat that it kind of goes underneath the seat and then under the gas tank itself. So when I tap on the back seat or even drive down the road, you can hear that occasional rattle. So what that rattle is, it's actually this little metal plate. The metal plate is right here. So it runs right literally underneath the seat. It's got these like little triangle areas to it. And it's bolted down in the back. So there is a bolt to it. Now I've checked the torque on that bolt. That bolt is tight. So what it is it's actually loose towards the front. There's nothing holding it on the front side of this underneath the gas tank. So it wants to rattle metal against metal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to figure out a way to put something under there to see if that helps get rid of that rattle noise. And here's just another view of it also from the front side. So again, it seats right underneath the fuel tank, and it has a little rubber pad associated with it as well. But it just wants to rattle. There's nothing holding it on the front side, only on the back. And you can see it's making metal to metal contact there towards the back side, and that's where it's making the rattle noise. So I'm going to see if I can put something underneath there that'll keep it from rattling. All right, so what I did was, I'll show you here in a second, but now if I tap on the seat, I don't get that rattle anymore. So what I did to fix that was I put a piece of white double-sided tape. So with a little bit of thickness to there, I placed that underneath that, between the foam pad and then the metal piece. And again, that worked like a charm. It keeps it from vibrating. It doesn't rattle anymore. So again, pretty easy fix. Just a little piece of double-sided sticky tape works fine. And it'll keep it and absorb any of that excess movement so you don't get the rattle noise. So I hope this helps. So if you're dealing with a rattle noise, you think it's coming from the exhaust or somewhere else, it's probably this bracket piece that you see here. So all you gotta do is put another little piece of double-sided sticky tape underneath of it, and it'll keep it from rattling. Thanks.